Hello everyone, today we're going to make meat stuffed buns, also known as Keema Bun. This recipe makes very soft bread and the stuffing is very tasty, so give it a try. I will show you two styles to make this, so let's get started. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. To make the dough, I have taken 6 cups of all-purpose flour. To it, I'm adding 2 eggs, adding 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm using 1.5 tablespoon of instant yeast. If you're using dry active yeast, make sure you activate it first with sugar and water before adding to this. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of slightly warm milk, 200 ml of oil. Add water as needed to form the dough. Once dough has formed, coating it with 1 tablespoon of oil. Dough should be nice and soft like this. Cover and keep in a warm place for 20 to 30 minutes. To prepare the stuffing, in a pot add 4 tablespoons of oil, adding 600 grams of minced meat. I'm using beef, adding 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of salt or add as desired. Mix everything together. For the garam masala, I have taken 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of nigella seeds, half tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 star anise, 4 green cardamom, 2 inch of cinnamon stick, half teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 15 black peppercorns, 4 cloves, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves, and 2 bay leaf. The quantity of this garam masala is enough to make the recipe twice. Lightly roast the garam masala. Transfer into a grinding jar. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and grind everything into a fine powder. I'm only adding 50% of this powder to this keema. The rest I'm storing for the next time. Adding 2.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Once the meat is completely cooked, transfer it into a bowl. Adding half cup of chopped beet, half cup of chopped coriander leaves, half cup of chopped mint leaves, 1 chopped onion. Mix everything together. For egg wash, I'm beating 1 egg and adding 1 tablespoon of milk to this. For the first method, take some dough, roll into a small circle, add the stuffing and seal it. Place the bread in a pan, coat them with the egg wash that we made earlier. Adding some sesame seeds and baking in oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Try this with garlic mayo dip. I'll post the recipe in description box below. For the second method, I'm using the dough to make the buns first. Or if you don't have time, you can use store-bought buns. adding garlic mayonnaise spread. I will post the recipe in description box below. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel.